and welcome to my platform, and thank you for watching my channel. Please do remember to subscribe, share if you care, and hit the notification bell. So today I decided I was going to make my own headboard. I wanted to have 3 panels. I decided I was going to use cardboard, which I took from a fridge that I'd recently bought, and I used the length of the cardboard to be the base of my headboard. Now, I should have gone in and had multiple layers of cardboard so that it's hard and secure. So it was a bit too flexible, but it still turned out okay. It's just that it should have been a bit more harder than I had hoped. Right, so I took all 3 panels, I cut them up, and then I went and I bought some foam. And after I bought the foam, I lined out where I wanted the foam to sit on the cardboard. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. If you are a regular, I really appreciate your presence. Please do remember to share and subscribe so this channel can grow. Thank you for those who have. I really do appreciate it. After I cut out the foam, I went around the board and I used glue. I put the glue all over the corners and the sides of the cardboard, as you can see. Now you can use craft glue, wood glue, any glue that is very strong. And after I cut out my foam piece, I then glued it onto my cardboard. I made sure that the foam was securely on the cardboard. So I just put some items to make sure that when it dries, it stays on. Following that, I decided to go and take some batting and put over the foam. And there you can see all my 3 panels. I went in and got this material, which I thought would look lovely on the board, and I thought it would go nicely with the color scheme of the room that I had. So the color scheme was kind of light, cloudy kind of feel, no heavy colors, pinkish, beigeish, that kind of feel. So I got this at the material shop, and I measured from the cardboard prior to going to get it at the material shop how many meters I'd need by the width and the length. So as you can see, I just tucked in the material to kind of figure out how it's going to go around the back of the cardboard. I didn't want to undercut, and it was okay if I overcut, but I was not willing to undercut the material because then I wouldn't have enough material to flip onto the back of the board. Please do remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and do comment, as it helps the algorithm on this channel and it lets people know that you liked what you saw. And it also helps me know that you liked what you saw. So I took in my stapler and I just stapled the material all around the cardboard. I did this to all 3 pieces of cardboard. And once I had stapled one side, I took the material and I decided to cut. There you can see I did this process to all of the 3 panels, and I stapled the material to the back of all the 3 cardboard panels. Now here is a piece of wood that I had found in my garage, and it had some nails, so I had to take out those nails, old nails, because this was something that was used before. So I decided to recycle this leftover wood, and I took out the nails, I sanded it down to make sure that there's no little pieces of wood that would hurt me or anybody else that's sleeping on the bed. And after I sanded it down, I did go in and measure the piece of wood, and then I sawed it off with my little saw, as you can see over there. and it fit perfectly. After I did that, I took some double-sided tape and then I put it on the back of this. But prior to doing that, I spray painted the panel, rather the stick of wood. I spray painted it a light gray, and then afterwards I put the double-sided tape on the back. I also used the double-sided tape on the back of these panels. Now, my word of advice is do not use double-sided tape in this manner that I did. Rather use a double-sided tape that will take the whole, or rather do not cut the pieces of the double-sided tape. So take the whole tape and tape it across the cardboard. Do not cut it into pieces. But I do find that the double-sided tape was not strong enough. It lasted for quite some time, but then I found that it started to fall down. But that's also because of the kind of wall that I had. My wall is not smooth, it's graded, so the tape was not secure because of that. If you have a smoother wall, it will definitely stay. Luckily, the wooden panels, or rather the wooden sticks, did not have a problem sticking on. There, as you can see, this is the wooden stick that I put next to the panel. As I mentioned, I had spray painted it gray and the colors matched lovely. I had my daughter help me put this up as it was quite large and I needed assistance. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it did kind of start to fall off. So what I decided to do is I decided to put some D-rings at the back. I screwed them in with a very short screw and then I glued them as well to make sure that it's extra secure and that it does not fall down. I was not disappointed.
How did you manage to do that? Hmm? This is so nice. How did you manage to do this?
It's my secret.
Huh?
It's my secret.
This is beautiful, nice.
Thank
You're
you.
becoming an expert.
Thank you. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do subscribe, share if you care, and do comment. It does help with my channel. See you next time. Bye.